Our Osbourne Dining Table comes with these contents. These are the tools that you'll need. First, lay the planks on the floor with the logos facing upwards. Use a straight edge to align the planks. Then place a washer on the end of the metal rod, slide it through the leg hole and secure using the second washer and wing nut provided. Repeat for the other leg. If needed, screw the height adjustable feet into the bottom of the legs. Place the legs with connecting rod upside down on top of the table planks, making sure to centralize the legs within the width and length of the table. Drill pilot holes through the leg frame into the planks, then fix in place using the screws provided. Repeat for the other side of the frame. Take care turning over your table. Now grab a brew, style, and enjoy!